You are watching this video because you use your PC late at night. Here's how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome. When you open the Chrome application, you would be taken to this page. And what you would want to do is click on the three dots right under the close button. Then under the drop down menu, you would want to click on settings to open the settings page. At the left side of the settings page, select appearance to display that menu. From the appearance menu, at where we have mode, click the drop down menu to select it, and under that select dark to enable the Chrome dark mode. You can also select device to set the mode to that of your device's system. If you have watched the video to this point and enjoyed it, kindly like the video and subscribe to this channel to get notified when we release a new video. If you want to learn how to convert a video into an audio, I would leave that video on the end cards so that you check it out. See you next time. Peace out.